Hi, welcome back to another episode of Barbecue Life UK. My name's Tom and today we're doing stuffed leg of lamb.
So we're going to start by taking the bone out of this leg of lamb. You need a small sharp knife with a rigid blade and just follow the bone down one step at a time, taking it slowly. So once you've exposed the top of the bone, you can work your knife around underneath, keeping the blade as close to the bone as possible so you don't waste any meat, taking it nice and slowly. I find it easy to expose both ends of the bone and then just work around the sinew at the knee joint. So now that the lamb bone is completely removed, just make some incisions on both sides, making sure not to cut all the way through. This will flatten it out and give us more surface area for our stuffing. Also put in some small incisions so that we can penetrate even further. Place all your stuffing ingredients in a blender and blitz until smooth. Spread the stuffing mixture all over the lamb, making sure you get into all the incisions that you've made. Once completely covered, roll back up ready for trussing. Use butcher's twine to hold everything together, keeping the stuffing in the middle. Light a chimney with a lump of charcoal and set up for an indirect cook. Place some sweet potatoes in between the charcoal baskets and put the lamb on top so the juices will flavour the potatoes. After an hour and 20 minutes, I turned the lamb for an even cooking. I then moved it back so I could fit in a baking tray of baby carrots. The lamb has reached an internal temperature of 67 degrees, so we're going to take that off and let that rest. I'm also removing the sweet potatoes. Move your charcoal baskets together for a direct cook and place the carrots directly on top. Place some green beans in a vegetable rack to grill directly to. Add the lamb juices to the carrots, fold in the foil to make a foil parcel. Steam the carrots and rotate the beans until they're tender. The lamb has come out beautifully, still lovely and moist.
So I'm really happy with how this looks. I think the carrots have come out wonderfully and the lamb's got a beautiful smoke ring. Let's give it a try. Oh, that's gorgeous. Wow. There's so much flavour from that stuffing that went in the middle. It's beautiful. And the sweet potato skins, I've already pinched one of them indoors, where the lamb fat drips down onto them. It's given the skin such a wonderful flavour. Everything's come out perfect. It's a fantastic meal to cook if you've got people coming around for Easter. Yeah, really happy with this. Definitely the best cook I've done in a long while. That's fantastic. If you like what we're doing here at Barbecue Life UK, please do hit that subscribe button. Leave us a comment. Let us know what you think. Make sure you like the video. Thank you very much for watching.